It's garlic harvest time. I plant my garlic in pots because I have very bad soil, no nutrients, so they don't grow too big here in California because the heat gets here very soon. It doesn't allow them to grow the way, at least in pots. I don't know if you, but they're fine for me. That's all I need because I don't want to buy them from the store. Most of them at the grocery store come from China. I don't want to eat garlic from China because there's very high lead concentration in them, so I'd rather grow my own. Even though they're smaller, I'd rather grow my own here. And I grow them in pots. It's easier for me, and this way I can harvest them easier too. This one grew pretty. Also grow potatoes in pots. I'm gonna leave that one there. It's a potato plant. Then there's more garlic here. And that's my harvest from that pot. Have some other. These are the ones that I already took out of the pots. This an elephant garlic. So I'm gonna plant some of these and eat as many as I can. Thank you for watching.